This video will show to you how this pay off and take up all in one, how it works. Right now we will put the drums down on the ground. You will see this action. And now this action here shows us to put the bobbin on the ground, and plunge is to move. And right now is to install the bobbin inside. You will see. Now you will see the drums leave the ground. Leave the ground. You will see. Right now the workers checking bobbins on the right places. Because right now you will check the take up the rolling, the wire rolling, spare parts is moving to put the wires on the right places. 这个多快的速度？100吗？这个大概的速度。This is the normal speed. We will testing right now. We will see. It will be testing in 12 hours, and then it will show us this machine is still working or not. And here, this one is the meter count. We have the wires inside it. When you take it, you can have a wires to connect it to make it a meter count. This is hydraulic brakes. This is the up and down to confirm the machine, the drums on the right places, and then it will be stopped. This motor is a wire rolling motor to control these spare parts to move on the right side and left side. These electronic boxes, and then you will see here. This is the yacht cover inventor. This big one. This is small one. And this is inside. You will see. This motor is control the bobbin up and down. This motor and left and right. This motor is control the bobbin install. This is wire limited. When this wire rolling to the left and the right on the places, it will be going back. And these places you can use this manual to control on the left side and the right side as you need. This is the right side hydraulic brakes, and this is the main motor. This is the right side hydraulic brakes, and this is the bobbin is still not painting. After we testing well, and then it will send back to the factory for painting. Thank you. Any problems, please don't hesitate to let me know.